Hello everybody, welcome to the last week of the course here, week 5. Got my scenery up here, which is a little different, but it's scenery, and got my topic this week, my motivation topic, which happens to be about motivation. So, like I said, we're in the last week here. So some of the things I do notice sometimes is, late assignments and things like that. And I know there's always reasons for it, but again, that's why I think of motivation. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. So, that has to do with putting off things. And, sometimes it's lack of motivation. Sometimes there's things like negative people or negative environments that we have that cause us to fall behind or not do what we want to do because we let these other things influence us or just have an impact on our lives. And so that's why I bring, this thing about surrounding yourself with negative people. It could be negative people, it could be negative environments. Um, you may be able to change other people's perceptions, but you also, if they're negative and that they're not going to change, you need to either just ignore them or don't let it influence you because it impacts what you do. Don't expect to see a change if you don't make one, and that's the thing. If you can look back at your habits, routines of how you do school. Are you always late on assignments? And why are you late? Uh, you got to make a change. And so, you got to figure out what that is and kind of do like a little self-evaluation, figure out why you do what you do. Now, if you're doing great, then this may not apply to you, but this might be something you can share with other people, kind of be a mentor or whatever you want to call it. Because sometimes we don't realize people are watching us, and you may be one of those people that, people might watch you, see how you do things, and you influence them, either positive or negative. So there you go. That's my bit this week on the motivation thing. Course itself, you got 2 chapters here. You got monetary system and money growth and inflation. So I think I mentioned in the first video, some people love economics. Some don't, but there's no real way around it other than learning the material. Most of you are doing real good, so there's no on the discussions, good interaction and everything. Homework's real good, so those of you have seen. Then again, there's others that haven't submitted or you're behind. So again, we need to work on that. Upcoming week, you got the discussion, homework, quiz, and the exam. Also, evaluation. We ask students do the evals because that's how we learn if we need to change something in the course. If there's something that needs to be changed, outdated, if there's something negative, something positive, whatever the case is. So that's where we ask you to do the eval. So please do those. Otherwise, I will give you my test question for this week. What are the grandkids doing? Let me know what you think they're doing there, and that'll be the test question. And then that'll do it for this week. So enjoyed having you all in the course. I don't know if I'll see any of you next term or not, depending on what courses you're taking. But again, always a pleasure. A lot of you I've known. Some of you were new. So if you have me in the future, hopefully I'm very approachable. You can contact me if you got questions or issues or anything, and that'll do it. So again, take care. Have a great week. Contact me if you need anything. Bye.